An Aboriginal Culinary Journey combines ancient Australian Aboriginal stories with the best of contemporary design to share this rich culture with the world. For Aboriginal Australians, country is everything. The natural world is alive with thousands of years of storytelling. So, when an Aboriginal artist creates something, they're channeling the spirit and the life of their ancestors into the object they're making. They are creating a new dreaming track, a songline. And if songlines are pathways to the deep history and ancient knowledges of the land, then these objects, these appliances, are doorways to the past. So every day when you use them in your kitchen, you'll get immersed in the story. Every time you make a cup of tea or coffee, it's almost like a ceremonial event. It will connect you to those ancient rituals and invite you to celebrate the world's oldest living culture and take you on an Aboriginal culinary journey.